Picture this. Your video crosses 1 million views in just weeks, and you didn't spend months editing or guessing trends. That's the power of AI in 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how creators are scaling their channels to millions of views by combining AI tools with YouTube's algorithm. We'll cover idea generation, AI-powered thumbnail creation, script optimization, and even how to edit faster with automation. You'll also learn why watch time and retention matter more than views, and how AI can help you hack both. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step system to create viral-ready videos without burning out. And yes, I'll share the mistakes to avoid that keep 90% of creators stuck under 1,000 views. Stick around, because this is the YouTube growth roadmap you've been waiting for.